How to lengthen eyelashes and thicken eyebrows quickly. Many people dream of having naturally long eyelashes and fuller, well-shaped eyebrows, but often spend a lot of money on expensive products. Today, I will share with you a simple home remedy that can give you noticeable results in just a few days. You will get long eyelashes and thick eyebrows in just 3 days if you follow this remedy carefully. And the best part is, all the ingredients are natural and safe to use. Let's start with the first method. Take 2 tablespoons of flax seeds and put them in a saucepan. Now, add a cup of water. Flax seeds are loaded with nutrients that are extremely beneficial for hair growth. Put the flax seeds to boil for about 5 minutes. During this time, the seeds will release a natural gel-like substance, which is what we are looking for. Once it's boiled, filter the flax seeds using a strainer. This step is important because we only need the gel, not the seeds. This wonderful gel will be the base of our eyelash and eyebrow growth mixture. Flaxseed gel is known to stimulate the growth of hair, including delicate areas like eyelashes and eyebrows. It nourishes the hair follicles and encourages them to grow stronger and thicker. Divide the flaxseed gel into 2 parts. We will be preparing 2 different recipes. Let's begin with the first one. To the first part of the gel, add a tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is not only soothing, but also strengthens the tiny hairs of the eyebrows and eyelashes, preventing them from falling out. Mix it well until it blends smoothly. Next, add a teaspoon of castor oil. Castor oil has been used for generations for thick hair growth. It helps the eyelashes and eyebrows become dense and strong. Now, add 1 capsule of vitamin E. Vitamin E oil works like a magic booster. It nourishes the roots and helps the hair grow faster, making them long and shiny. Mix all the ingredients very well until you get a smooth consistency. Transfer this mixture into a small, clean jar. You can even keep it in the fridge so that it lasts for a longer time without spoiling. Now, how do you apply it? Use a mascara brush or even a simple cotton swab. Dip it into the mixture and gently apply it to your eyebrows and eyelashes. The best time to apply is before going to sleep at night. This way, the mixture works for many hours while you rest. In the morning, just wipe your eyebrows and eyelashes with a tissue or gently wash your face. If you use this remedy daily, you will see results very quickly. In fact, in just 3 days, you will notice your eyelashes becoming longer and your eyebrows looking very thick and healthy. Now let's move to the second method. Take the remaining part of the flaxseed gel we kept aside earlier. Into this, add 1 teaspoon of instant coffee. Coffee may sound surprising, but it is actually very effective. Instant coffee promotes the growth of eyebrow and eyelash hair and also prevents them from falling out. Mix the coffee thoroughly until it dissolves completely into the gel. Add a teaspoon of almond oil. Almond oil is rich in vitamins and nutrients that help in lengthening eyelashes and thickening eyebrows naturally. Once mixed, keep this preparation in a small, clean jar as well. To apply, once again use a mascara brush or a cotton swab. Dip it into the mixture and apply it well on your eyebrows and eyelashes. Make sure the mixture covers the hair properly. Leave it for about 2 hours so that the nutrients can get absorbed properly. After that, wash your eyebrows and eyelashes with plain water. For best results, repeat this remedy every single day. With consistent use, you will be amazed at the transformation. Your eyelashes will look incredibly long, and your eyebrows will become thick, dark, and beautiful. So these were 2 natural, easy, and effective home remedies for enhancing the beauty of your eyelashes and eyebrows without spending much. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family. And of course, subscribe for more natural beauty tips.